Unlocking Career Luck, Strategies for Success. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into Dr. Jonathan H. Westover's insightful article on how you can cultivate circumstances for career progress. You see, we often think of luck as this mystical force, something outside our control, something that happens to us, not because of us. But what if I told you that we can actually tip the scales in our favor? What if I told you that we can create an environment where luck is more likely to find us? That's what Dr. Westover challenges us to consider. Luck has always played a role in career success, but did you know you can actually create your own luck through intentional actions? Stay tuned as we explore 3 key strategies to boost your career opportunities. Let's talk about the first strategy for creating luck in your career: building a strong professional network. We all know the old adage, it's not what you know, it's who you know. It's a cliché for a reason, because it's true. Think about it. People tend to give opportunities to those they know, like, and trust. It's human nature. So, if you're not out there building relationships, making yourself known, how will anyone ever think of you when those golden opportunities arise? Networking is not about schmoozing or collecting business cards like trophies. It's about building genuine connections. It's about finding common ground, shared interests, and building trust over time. It's about being genuinely interested in other people, attend industry events, go to conferences, join professional organizations. These are all fertile grounds for meeting people in your field, people who share your passions, and people who may hold the key to your next big break. Don't underestimate the power of your existing network either. Your colleagues, your former classmates, your friends, your family, they all have their own networks, and you never know where a conversation might lead. Remember, building a network is a marathon, not a sprint. Invest in it consistently, nurture your relationships, and watch as your career opportunities multiply. The second strategy for creating career luck is to never stop learning and growing. The business world is constantly changing. New technologies emerge, new industries arise, and what worked yesterday might be obsolete tomorrow. Those who are adaptable, those who are constantly learning and evolving, are the ones who thrive in the face of change. They are the ones who are best positioned to capitalize on new opportunities when they arise. So, how do you become a lifelong learner? It starts with a mindset. Embrace a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities are not fixed but can be developed through dedication and hard work. Seek out opportunities to expand your skill set. Take online courses, attend workshops, read industry publications. Become a student of your craft, always eager to learn and improve. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Volunteer for new projects, even if they seem daunting at first. The more you challenge yourself, the more you'll grow and the more prepared you'll be to seize those unexpected opportunities. Remember, the only constant is change. By embracing lifelong learning, you'll be ready to navigate the twists and turns of your career path with confidence and grace. Chapter 3. Cultivate your reputation. The final strategy for unlocking career luck is to cultivate a strong, positive reputation. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. It precedes you, it opens doors, it creates opportunities. Think about it. When people in your industry hear your name, what comes to mind? Do they associate you with excellence, integrity, and reliability, or do they associate you with mediocrity, gossip, and drama? Building a strong reputation starts with consistently delivering exceptional work. Go above and beyond in everything you do. Let your work speak for itself. But it's not just about the work itself, it's also about how you conduct yourself. Be kind. Be helpful. Be someone people enjoy working with. Be generous with your knowledge and experience. Mentor others. Share your successes, and most importantly, own your mistakes and learn from them. Remember, your reputation is built one interaction at a time. Every email you send, every meeting you attend, every project you complete. These are all opportunities to reinforce your brand and build a reputation that attracts opportunity. Create your own luck. Remember, while luck plays a role in career success, you have the power to create your own opportunities through strategic networking, continuous learning, and building a strong reputation. By taking control of these 3 areas, you're not just waiting for luck to strike, you're actively creating an environment where luck is more likely to find you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on advancing your career. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences, so please share your stories in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.